Hello everyone, this is Abby from Memorial Drive Tire and Auto, and for this video I will be covering one of the most basic life-saving tips out there: how to jump a car. To start with, always make sure that both cars have the same voltage. If your truck is stalled, do not think that a little sedan will bring your truck back to life. Next step is to make sure both cars are off and have the hoods open. After locating the batteries, grab your jumper cables, take the colored clamps, and connect one set to the positive terminal on the dead battery. Take the other set of colored clamps and connect them to the positive terminal on the working battery. Remember, the black clamps will always be connected to the negative terminal. Now, take the black clamps and connect one set to the negative terminal on the good battery. Take the other set of clamps and connect them to the negative terminal on the dead battery. Start the working vehicle and let it run for a couple of minutes. Then try to start the dead vehicle and hopefully it turns on. If it does, make sure you keep that car running for at least 15 minutes while you get to your nearest auto parts store to purchase a new battery, or at least until you get home. If it doesn't, turn off both cars and restart the whole process, making sure the clamps are securely in place. Hopefully, you don't get stuck in a situation like this. But thanks for watching. Oh, and P.S., some newer model cars have the battery in the trunk, so if you can't find the battery under the hood, relax, you're not going crazy. It's probably in the trunk.